Unfortunately, COVID-19 pandemic was the main cause that challenged businesses to do something that was unthinkable a year ago. For example, Civus, the company where I work, since the outbreak of the pandemic, very quickly went fully remote. We are working from home, accessing companies' information and communication technology infrastructure, or we are working directly and accessing our business systems which are located in cloud. So, question here, how did we manage to shift our entire business operation completely remotely, so quickly? We were already prepared. In the previous years, we have done a huge investment in our ICT infrastructure, as well as investment in development of software applications or implementation of many software solutions. And all of this enable us to fully work from everywhere. Our core business software, ERP, is in cloud since 2017. So, instead of waiting, we prepare for the future. The reality is that there is no going back to old times. It is a digital era, this is the new normal. And we will never do business like we have done in the past. So, in the digital era, if you don't run, the chances to fail as a business are large. This is why we are ready for full remotization. Actually, we at Civus, we have even invented the term remotization. Remotization means working and doing business from everywhere. We are not anymore, let's say, in our offices, but we can do the same business as usual. To continue the story, there are much more positive examples in Macedonia that happened since pandemic. Many companies, for the first time ever, started to offer their products and services on internet. Also, there is a rise of new companies with a new business model for our country. They don't have physical shops, they have only digital stores, and they are delivering products to our homes. So, only businesses that recognize the necessity to change and to adapt to today's situation will survive in such a difficult times. One more digital story, which is my favorite story. As we can see nowadays, entire country turned into one big classroom. With heroic efforts made by the Faculty of Computer Science and Engineering, also known as FINCI, basically overnight, the educational system jumped an enormous step into the future and embraced e-learning. These young generations will ask us tomorrow, why you are so old-fashioned? Why you are not utilizing information technology? And today's youth is tomorrow's workforce. So, it is our responsibility to prepare environment for this new tech-savvy workforce that will come in our offices, in our companies in a few years from now. For sure, we should take advantage of the wave and continue with the same speed towards. In addition, knowing that Macedonia has a significant ICT talent pool, a lot of colleagues, a lot of resources here, we should question ourselves why our country is at this level and digitally divided from the rest of the developed world.